How to check my Facebook login device. For this, first and foremost, open your Play Store application. From here in the search bar, you have to search for your Facebook. Then tap on it. If there is an update, you have to simply leave it for an update. If not, just go ahead and tap open your Facebook application. So right here, you will find a 3-line icon at the top. You simply have to tap on it. Then head to the setting gear option. Then select the option of Meta Account Center, which is at the very top. Right here, wait for it to load. Once it is done, tap on where you are logged in and select your account. If you are logged in beside of your device you are using, it will be displayed right at the bottom and you can easily remove it by tapping on the device. If not, simply tap on currently login, and if you even want to remove it, simply tap on tap into Facebook app and you will be redirected in the menu page. You can scroll down and log out from this device as well. This is a great feature to check where you are logged in, even in the case of a hack suspect, and you can even decide to log out of the device that is currently using. So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.